Look behind me here, you guys. Those of you watching that we can call friends and family and even fans and folks that are focused on rocking out the finish line. That right there, according to Tim and Miranda, says Appalachian Trail. And it's got a south and a north arrow. And it's got a white blaze that we just blew up. We are at the parking lot at Route 311, the Macafee Knob parking area. And if you remember last year on my hike, this is where the homeless guy had to sit and wait because he had his boots taken back off of him after he stole them from another hiker at Four Pines Hostel. So, oh my word, what a flood of memories. I mean, like seriously, oh my goodness. It just seems like it was a few weeks ago that I was here walking north on the Appalachian Trail. And so here we are again. I'm going to spin around. Come and stand back. Now don't get too close. Yeah, stay back there so they can see you. So here is the 3 youngest chitlins. The others are dropping vehicles off at Daleville, and they're going to drive back here with Stan the Man and march up and meet us up in the hills where we set up camp. So woohoo! It's the first trial run for my Z-Pax Nero. Can't tell if it's in focus or not, but yeah, very, very cool. So come along with us and let's go do at least 2/3 of the Virginia Triple Crown. Well, here's one of the first views or lookouts we've got. We're just a quarter mile up the trail or something probably, and going nice and easy because it is really warm. It's almost 85 degrees with crazy high humidity.
Yeah, I went on that walk.
Rock.
There are rattlesnakes here. Yay!
So we made it. 22 miles today. Felt pretty good. Oh, 1 mile today. I got here, it is now 6 o'clock, 10 after 6. And Halo, Stan the Man, and Miss Pristine made it. They would drop the vehicles off at the Hojo up in Daleville and came back. Stan the Man brought them back, and so he's going to just hike up to Macafee and then head back tomorrow. Sorry, I turned the camera. Anyhow, the spring is definitely flowing very well. So we're happy to set up there. So Pristine's wearing a tank top. It's really hot. There is the old duplex, my BFF. Watch out, baby. Can you move? Thank you. So there is the duplex. I'm allowing Pristine to sleep in it. She had to sign a contract, a covenant, no tears, no rips, no poked holes, no sneezing, no sweating. Don't ruin my tent. Actually, if I didn't kill it, nobody can kill it. Halo and I are down the side trail over there with our triplex. We get the roomy tent tonight. And then the 2 boys are setting up in the shelter.
Bye-bye! Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell.
Getting some food ready. What's on the menu tonight, Miss Halo?
I'm actually having unstuffed peppers.
Am I having it with you?
No, you got your own.
Am I having ramen?
You're having ramen.
Oh, man.
And tuna.
No tuna. I didn't bring any tuna.
Emily, or Pristine might share her dehydrated beef.
Look at all the food Halo carried up all by herself. That's all hers. She's eating all by herself.
It is not.
She's a hungry hiker.
Disciples,
she was hoping
get any of it.
She was hoping hiker hunger would kick in after this
after 1 day.
Grueling 1 mile.
1 mile of that hiker hunger. I'm feeling it.
Kids and I are
All right, well, we are here near Macafee Knob at John's Spring Shelter. We've had our supper. Supper is completed and done, and so you guys know I'm a huge law-abiding and conservative, leave no trace. Absolutely, I do totally agree with leave no trace. But anyway, because of that, I am a huge advocate of hanging your food with bear rope, and so that's what we're fixing to do right now for the second time in my career as a thru hiker. And so I have a rock. This is a Z-Packs bear bag kit, and I have the rope and a little rock bag. I found a rock, which are not hard to find on the Appalachian Trail. So I've tied a knot around the string on the rock bag, selected, can you pan and show the great tree? This actually is a fabulous tree because I can run the food pretty high up, and it's way away from other trees. Don't hang your food on one tree 2 feet from another tree. The bear can climb up and reach right over and grab it. So anyway, this is a great spot right here. So we're gonna toss the rope for the rock right over. And voila. Now all you have to do is tie your food bag to the rope and hoist it up there. I'm going to do the PCT method, so we'll film and I'll show you. Okay. So now, for the PCT hang, you have to go through something like a little mini carabiner. So if you can see that, I've got a tiny little carabiner on there. So now you have to take this rope and hook it through that carabiner to then hoist it up. I'm gonna need a stick, Emmy. I've got my lovely assistant. I just need like a decent okay. There. Just need like a decent stick.
How about a trekking pole?
Here, just
Right over there?
Just a chunk of stick. Yeah.
Oh.
Yep. All right. No, that's good. Yep. All right. So I've got a stick, and stick it through there, would you? Yep. No. Can you hold it for me? Oops. Try to keep it off my knuckle. Yeah. Let's see. Actually, I'm trying to remember my clove hitch. I don't remember, so I'm going to do a different knot. The clove hitch is the best. We're going to do a speedy one.
It's going to come down too far.
Is it?
I think so.
Can you hold this rope? I need the rope. Yes. Got it? I know it. Got it? All right. So I have to tie. I want to remember my clove hitch. Go over. And then over.
That stick needs to probably go up further, I think.
Yeah, but I can't. It's all right. We're going to see where it ends up. Royal pain in the rear end, if you ask me. All right, that should do it. Okay. Yep. Let go. Voila.
I don't know if that's far enough.
Take a mighty, yeah, I'm 6 foot. Take a mighty bear. And that's how I do it on the Appalachian Trail. No, don't pull, because it's wrapped around my hand. Don't pull. Yeah, you have to hold the rope up here. So can you, Gabe, you're taller. Can you, you'll kind of have to wrap it around your hand. Because it's slippery. Got it? Yep, and you don't have to pull any harder than just to keep it up in the air is all you have to do. So, yeah, like I said, it's a really pain in the neck. Yeah, all we're gaining is high as you can reach. As high as you can go, and then I can get the stick higher, see? Yeah, that's good. I'm higher. Hold on. Simple clove hitching, I can't remember. Alright, that should, alright, let go.
That's
Are you happy,
better.
Halo?
I am much happier.
That's how
at
I actually do it on the Appalachian Trail. First time was practice.